In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy any website design into Figma. We'll turn a live web page into editable layers inside Figma using a plugin, so you can study layouts, tweak styles, or build quick mockups. This walkthrough assumes you're already comfortable navigating Figma, and it's intended for educational and design reference purposes. Always respect a site's terms and intellectual property when using these techniques. First, go to Figma. You can use the desktop app or the browser version, whichever you prefer. Open a new design file so you have a clean canvas to work on. If you already have a project file, that works too. Just make sure you're in a space where the imported content will fit comfortably on the canvas. Next, click Design so you're in the standard design workspace. This ensures the right side panel shows the usual properties you'll need once the content comes in, like layout, text, and layer settings. It also keeps the toolbar focused on the tools you'll use most for cleanup. Now, right-click on any part of the canvas. Right-clicking on empty space is perfect, and it helps avoid selecting an existing layer by accident. This opens the context menu you'll use to reach your tools. From that menu, click Plugins. This is where all your installed plugins live, and it's the quickest way to run what you need without leaving your file. If you keep your plugins organized, they'll be easy to find here. Click html.2.design. This plugin opens a panel inside Figma and is designed to convert web pages into editable Figma layers. If you already have it installed, it will appear in your list. When it opens, you'll see a field where you can enter the site you want to bring in. Paste the website you want to copy into the field. You can use a home page or any specific URL, like a product page or blog post. Public, non-login pages work best. As an example, you might try a well-known home page to see how the layout translates. Make sure you paste the exact URL you want to import, as the plugin will capture that specific page. Then click Import. The plugin will process the page and build frames, groups, text layers, and images inside your Figma file. Depending on the page's size and complexity, this can take a moment. Let it finish so everything loads correctly. Once the import is done, you can now edit the website. You'll see a structured frame with layers you can select and adjust. Change text, swap fonts, edit colors, resize sections, and replace images as needed. It's a good idea to tidy up layer names, group related elements, and set up styles to make further edits faster. And that's it. Your web page is now a fully editable design inside Figma.